Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A16 in the black color. This version 4GB RAM and 128GB RAM memory, Intel memory storage. In the box we have only cable for charging without adapter for charging, poor completion, okay, triple camera on the back side and LED, on this side power button and low buttons, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, without headphones jack, Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device. We have display Full HD Super AMOLED 90 Hz, open settings. About phone, we have Android 14 and One UI 6.1. Okay, very smooth look display and animations. Open Geekbench 6, we have CPU MediaTek Helio G88 and GPU Mali G57 MC2. Single core score, multi-core score and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Start PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on a device. Game load and works on the medium graphic level or on this graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the camera. Okay, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.